What is the largest mammal in the world? Blue whale. Which animal is famous for its black and white stripes? Zebra. What do koalas primarily eat? Eucalyptus leaves. Which animal is known to have a strong memory? Elephant. Which bird is known for its beautiful tail feathers and courtship dance? Peacock. What kind of animal is a Komodo dragon? Lizard. Which animal is the fastest land animal? Cheetah. What is a baby frog called? Tadpole. Which of the following animals can fly? Bat. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Lion.